Hey, in today's video, we're going to be talking about the question every homeowner is asking themselves: how much should I spend remodeling my house? The first thing we have to know is the why. Why are you doing this? What is your reason? Is it for resale? Is it to make money? Is it to enjoy the house? Is it for your lifestyle? So we need to know the why, then we can move forward. Moving forward, we're going to have to establish a budget. How much money do you have, and what's going to be your biggest bang for the buck with that budget? A good rule of thumb is don't spend more than 5 to 10% of your home's value. If you've got a $200,000 house, probably shouldn't spend $100,000 redoing your kitchen. However, if you've got a $2 million house, $100,000 might not be enough. We need to prioritize your projects. So kitchens and baths are going to cost a lot more. We go back to your budgeting. Maybe we're just trying to spruce the house up for sale, and we might not get enough money back out of a kitchen remodel as opposed to just recarpeting the entire house just to freshen it up with some carpeting and paint. Perhaps we're going to add a home theater or a swimming pool. At least here in Northern Illinois, a swimming pool is a zero-sum game. You're going to enjoy it if you want it, but just remember, what you spend on that pool, you're probably not going to get a single penny back. If you're going to put in a home theater, well, can you do that for $5,000? I've seen $80,000 home theaters in the basement, so we need to know why you're doing this. If you were just going to love spending your time down there and you're doing it for you, great. If you're doing that for resale, we really need to sit down and take a look at your house, talk about getting your bang for the buck. There are several factors that are going to contribute to the cost of your remodel. The size of your remodel, how much you're doing, the quality of the materials, the amount of materials needed. For example, if you've got a smaller house and all you need is floors, well, you could probably throw in a few more projects as well. If you've got a massive house and you need windows in the entire house, that's probably going to blow the entire budget. Hiring a contractor. If you decide to hire a contractor, make sure you get multiple quotes. Find out if you might get quotes for painting a house from $2,500 to $10,000. In that case, you might want to get a few more quotes. If the average is, I'm just picking numbers, $5,000, maybe you shouldn't hire the $2,500 painter. Sometimes you go with the lowest bid. Are they going to be cutting corners? How can they do it so much cheaper than the rest? How quick are they to respond to your phone calls? Are they going to get it done? If you call a painter today and they say they can start tomorrow, that's probably a bad sign. You really should check for references. In conclusion, when it comes to prioritizing your projects for your home, set a realistic budget, set a realistic timeline, and understand your why. Let's make sure that your remodel project is not only a success, but a sound investment in your property. Hey, I'm Jim Starwell with the Star Home Team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. Give us a call. We can have you consult with our designer. Make sure it's a success for you.